Hi everyone, I'm with Natalie Makenna, who has been living in this beautiful home in Los Angeles since April, I think, this year. And I'm going to just really find out how it's been going, and maybe we'll actually throw a garment through the actual laundry jet to show how it works. So what do you like about the laundry jet? What are the things it helps you with?
Well, the thing I love so much about it is I'm very clean. I like everything very modern looking in my house. And so therefore I never am gonna have laundry hampers. I think they're kind of an eyesore. And especially when guests are around, it's really nice to have space for their suitcases and everything. And so it's just nice that I never have to have smelly, dirty laundry inside my room. I don't have to go through and gather all the laundry because we have 5 bedrooms here. So easy because it just puts all the laundry in a central location in my laundry room, ready to go, ready to clean. It's so easy.
And we're going to have a little look at the laundry room in a second, but maybe you just show us it working.
Sure thing.
And it's gone.
You can hardly hear anything, especially if the door's closed.
There's the garment. And Natalie has invented the first shelf chute additional accessory to the laundry.
There it goes.
And
Directly
the laundry
into
just
the dirty
falls.
laundry
That's so cool. And the basket's even on wheels, so you can then move it over to the washing machine.
I'm taking out all the extra steps with it. It actually, weirdly, laundry has become something somewhat enjoyable for me. It feels great to have everything clean and in one place. And you know, when everything has its place in your house, it feels like you have a handle on it. So it's really wonderful, especially for super clean, Marie-Kondo types of people. This is perfect.
And there's lots of those in the world, thank goodness.
Right.
And what do your guests think of it?
Oh, they love it. I've been giving a lot of tours in the house because it's a new house. So every time I do, my grand finale is showing them the laundry jet, and I'll hand out like a pair of sweatpants to each person who's on the tour, and they'll get to put the sweatpants through the laundry jet themselves. And we come and we follow in here and they watch it come down, and it's like an adult version of Mousetrap. We're having so much fun with it.
An adult version of Mousetrap. But do they see the utility of it?
Gosh, yeah. One of my friends who lives in New York, he was here and he builds spec houses in the Hamptons. Mm-hmm. And he took all the videos of it and he was like, I need to know about this company. I want to put these in my house. And it's just such an amazing feature.
You know, laundry chutes have existed for hundreds of years.
Yeah.
And gravity only, a little bit of air power. And as you said, it's not too noisy. It's not difficult to do. I just think your home just really lends itself to this kind of high-tech 21st century way of living. You have a lot of lighting that's all brand new, probably security systems here. So can you tell us a little bit about what you think about some of the new home technologies that you've seen that are coming through?
It's a lot of work up front, getting everything set up. But once you do get it set up, it's so amazing. And it makes me feel so much more secure. I never leave the house thinking, oh gosh, did I close the garage door? Because I can look at my phone and see that it's been closed for 3 hours or whatever. Yeah. And same thing with my security system. I can arm it from wherever I am. And when I'm on vacation, I can set my house to where random lights come on, and I can turn the air conditioning off remotely. Yeah. I can do all of it from my phone, which is so amazing. It does take a lot of work to get all
up front, for sure, but
I think it's totally worth it if you can stick with it. It's totally worth it.
It's a different world, isn't it?
Yeah.
And a lot of this technology has existed for a long time. It just hasn't been kind of packaged up into a way that's easily accessible, but it is now. It's becoming more so, from LED lighting to the special security systems, everything through your smartphone. Yeah. And even technologies like this, which are a little bit more simple, but they're automating that old, repeatable, never-ending chore of carrying laundry baskets around the house. But I'm going to ask you this, so when you go to New York, do you have a laundry jet system in your New York house?
No, we don't. We haven't.
We'll talk.
There. It's a lot smaller.
It's a lot smaller. Well, we'll have a chat about that, see what we can do for you.
Yes.
Natalie, thank you so much for your time and telling us about your laundry jet. We absolutely love it, and we love your home. Thanks again.